Here we go, quick veggie soup, which I love this recipe. It's quite straightforward because you can use any veggies that you've got. I've used some frozen ones here. Let's see how easy it is to adapt something. No tomato, I'm going to do just green. And I'm just going to pop in onion and a garlic. That's in there, 400 grams, so let's add a few more in there. See, all up you could do around about 600-700 grams of vegetables. I've got veggie stock paste here, which we make. Just leftover carrot, celery, herbs and salt. Just salt and pepper I'll add to the end. Now here, where we've got 600 grams of water, I'm actually going to put some chicken stock that I've just made. The last couple of days, been cooking away in my slow cooker. Just with leftover bones. Okay, 600. I'm just going to do a little drop more. Simple as that. 25 minutes. Don't open a can of soup. There's really not that much good in it. Then you reheat it anyway. So best to just find some fresh, get them in your thermi, 25 minutes, I'll blend it up and dinner will be served. Woohoo! Doesn't get quicker than that.